Hey there, folks. My name is Lucas Martin. I'm our Business Development Manager here at ARC Advisory Group. Our analysts make it a priority to monitor the key technology changes, vertical industries, and any regional trends impacting the global business environment as a whole. This is a new market update segment where I'll pick the minds of our industry experts here at ARC Advisory Group. We'll chat about the scope of the market, the supplier landscape, key growth and success factors, and any key trends they may have discovered through their research. Now, let's not waste any more of your time and hop right into the interview.
Hello all, I'm Leena, Client Manager, Sales and Marketing with more than 12 years of experience. And I'm here with Vidya Prasad, Senior Analyst with ARC Advisory Group, and she's here more than 10 years with us. Vidya has just completed a market analysis report on pressure transmitter. Today we will discuss in detail the scope of the report, the trends, the inhibitors, the leading suppliers, and how this report will be beneficial to the clients. Vidya, can you elaborate on the scope of this market analysis report?
Sure, Leena. So this ARC report on global pressure transmitter market includes segmentations such as technology type, region, industry, application, transmission method, safety integrity level, sales channel, customer type, and communication protocol. And the major segment, which is the primary subdivision of pressure transmitter market, is the technology type. And it includes differential pressure transmitter, absolute pressure transmitter, gauge pressure transmitter, and multivariable pressure transmitter. So I think overall it covers the scope of this market. Yes.
Thanks, Vidya, for elaborating the scope. I would be happy to listen more on the supplier landscape for this market.
Sure, Leena. So leading suppliers of the pressure transmitter market include several of the major suppliers of process automation system and services like ABB, Emerson, Yokogawa, as well as the global field instrumentation specialists like E&H. And other dominant players in the market are Honeywell, Siemens, and I think it covers these are the major suppliers, I would say, in the market.
Excellent, Vidya, to know that the leading suppliers are the global players who offer a broad range of devices. What are the key growth or success factors?
Yeah, so the key growth or success factor, one of the major factor I would say is the increased implementation of wireless solutions. So, for example, remote asset management using wireless technologies in hard to access areas and process industries is finding increasing acceptance from end users. And as wireless technologies make more points accessible, the usage of field devices like pressure transmitter is also increasing. And other than this, I would also like to mention one more factor, which is greenfield opportunities in Asian markets. So projects in the emerging countries like China and India will boost the pressure transmitter market. So the capital investment in oil and gas, chemical, and power sector projects pursued by regional EPC contractors in these markets will be some of the biggest opportunities for growth. So yes, these will be the success factors according to me. Yeah.
Great, Vidya, to know on the implementation of wireless solutions and greenfield opportunities in the Asian market. Is there any growth inhibiting factors?
Yes, definitely there are many inhibiting factors. So one of them I would like to mention is the local conflict in developing countries because they represent a major risk on projects. And so projects face challenges when implemented in developing regions emerging from civil or external conflicts where the rule of law is weak or where the social or political tensions are present. For example, the Russia invasion of Ukraine is still having a major disruptive impact on the global market. So yes, this should be one of the major inhibiting factors for this market.
Thanks, Vidya. Good to learn that some countries still have disruptive impact on global markets. So based on the above response, what strategies would you recommend to a buyer of this system?
Interesting question, Leena. So, getting the right pressure transmitter is of utmost importance to meet the requirements in hand. And there are several factors such as long-term stability, flexibility, and repeatability, availability of custom calibration, which must be closely evaluated before selecting a mode. And other than these technical factors, end users should also focus on leveraging the smart field systems to create value in process industry. Like smart sensors as an enabler of industrial IoT will play an increasingly important role in process automation in future. So according to me, these should be the strategies I would recommend to the end users.
Great, Vidya, to know about their wireless technology and smart sensors. This question will help the audience to know if there are any other key trends or points you would like to share with the audience.
Yes, definitely. So there are many, but one of the major trends in the market, in the pressure transmitter market, is the Ethernet APL, which every supplier is talking about and focusing on. It is one of the innovative concept in the field devices market, and Ethernet APL is expected that it might be applicable primarily to the greenfield projects only. So yes, this is the major trend going on right now in the market, pressure transmitter as well as field devices market.
Thanks, Vidya, for sharing the market trends of the pressure transmitter. With all the above trends, how can buyers of this study benefit, like supplier or asset owner or service providers?
Good question, Leena. So, well, the clients will get to know and develop a better understanding about the competitive environment in which they are operating, as this report provides strategic insight into the pressure transmitter market in terms of how major companies are coming up with new innovative technologies and products to maintain their position in the market. And the data and insight provided in this report have an important strategic value to both end users as well as the suppliers of the pressure transmitters. So yes, this report will be beneficial to both the parties, that is end user and the supplier of the pressure transmitter. Yeah.
Thanks, Vidya, for the excellent responses for the queries, and I'm sure clients will be benefited by listening to you. Audience can feel free to reach out to us by visiting our website through the link given in the description. You can also fill in the contact info on our website to have in-depth conversation more about how the market analysis report like this can help you and your company. Once again, thanks, Vidya, for your time, and thanks to the audience. It was a great discussion.
Thank you, Leena.